My boys, as I was walking down, I forgot to say one thing, man. The reason why I'm going home early because we're supposed to end class officially at 12:30, right? But I'm just leaving early, just because I took permission from the professor. I told him, bro, like, I got some shit going on, so I gotta head home early today. Cause you guys know I have like toothache, right? So it's literally stressing me, bro, and it's even making my face swell. You can even see the sun, bro. God damn, it's so cool. So yeah, this is my environment, dog. Yep. Now I'm headed home, as you guys can see, bro. Yeah, man, this school is goddamn green, my nigga. I'm not gonna lie, bro. It's so green, bro. Just look, man. This school just looks so good, bro. Everywhere is green, bro. Like, bro, you can't hate on this, bro. Yo, like, what more do you need, bro? Like, this stuff is just goddamn green everywhere, dog. And it's just so good, man. So I think I need a flick. I need like a picture here. Alright, that should do it, man. Let's get it, my boys. Yo, quick change of plans real quick. As you guys can see, this is 92. We 8 away from 100, which is interesting. So the quick change of plans is on the, it's not actually, I just pushed the code to GitHub, I think 13 minutes ago. So yeah, here's a quick change of plans, right? Yeah, the front end, obviously, man. I left the back end alone for now, for real, because let's be honest, bro. If I put most of my time on the front end, it's gonna be easier later to just switch to the back end to just finish the functionality. You get it? But for now, I want the users to be, the users are on my mind, so they have to be able to see like what the MVP is all about. You get it? It's hard to explain to somebody who doesn't know how to code. Yo, this is the back end and it's supposed to do this for the MVP or whatever. You feel me? So I thought, why not just focus on the front end for now and then just add the back end later. Yeah, I think that will make more sense. So as you guys can see, I just opted to, you guys can see, bro, like this is a clean file structure, bro. You cannot tell me otherwise, bro. Like we have the auth already, we have the API, we have the beats, whatever. We have everything, bro. We have the components, we have the container, we have the lib, we have the models, we have schemas, stores, styles, everything, bro. Like everything is very modular. You feel me? And that's how I wanted to be. So let's go. That's enough of like the code structure because I'm just taking this thing step by step. So if you guys have missed like the previous episodes, you guys should go and check it out. So I had 2 planning phases, but for today it's not going to be a planning phase no more. It's going to be execution. So we're starting today. And one thing I want for sure for you guys to know is like I'm not a good designer. You feel me? So if I make a weird UI, don't blame me. But other than that, bro, UI is not really going to be my biggest like priority. You feel me? I just want like the UX, the user just to really just feel at home when they come to my website or when they come to my website. So I'm just gonna keep it as simple as possible. That's why you see I'm not even using Figma. It's here, but I'm not even using it. So we have home. This page will have like the bit previews and we'll click to dashboard slash, you see, boom, slash. We already added the nav bar, the navigations and all that. So Next.js makes it very simple. So this is the dashboard. And inside the dashboard, as you guys can see, I'm going to show you guys the dashboard. This is inside the dashboard. We are going to have, upload, and we're going to have sales. So this sales is going to track the analytics, and this upload, it could be sales. We could get like, I'm going to expand actually the dashboard. But for now, I'm going to keep it with sales and maybe plays, right? Maybe plays, like how many times that specific beat was played. But for now, all I want to see is how many beats were sold. How much did you make from, you feel me, selling beats. That's all that I'm gonna be caring about for now. But with time, I'm gonna upgrade, obviously. So boom, that is for dashboard. Then you go to like beat section. This is the beats page, and obviously this is where the beats are gonna be settling. Now the beats is gonna be here. This is where I'm gonna create the card for the beats, and inside here this is like the page for the beat, for the beats, and then this is gonna be like the individual IDs, the individual like detail for the beats. You get what I'm saying? Like, let's say for example, I think I explained it already. If you have like beat 1, beat 2, beat 3, but you don't want to create them like every time. You don't want to create beat this like page.tsx for beat 3, beat 4. You get it? You just create one, and then you just enclose it in that, I don't know whether it's parentheses or brackets or whatever, and then just give it an ID. So the only thing that you will differentiate them with will be the ID. So that's gonna be it for now. So boom, there's a beats page and then the card page. Obviously the card page is just gonna have it's just gonna be where we're gonna showcase, like, where the users are actually going to complete, I mean, like if they add the beat, let's say for example they're on the beats page, obviously the beat will have like a button where they will click to add to cart, and then it will just appear here. You get it? When it appears here, then they can just proceed to checkout. You feel me? So on the folder structure, I have the cart here as the way it is, and then inside here, inside these components, I have the cart as well. So the cart here will have just other things. You feel me? I'm just gonna keep going with that, but for now this is just like our folder structure. So I literally want you guys to know, like, bro, every single detail from scratch, from nothing. And I think I've explained myself from the start of these 2 series or whatever, that we left 2 episodes behind. So now today I'm just explaining like the folder structure, like I said, and then yeah, the nav bar I've already finished with it. Let me show you guys like the full stuff. So it's just gonna be like this, and I'm not really gonna focus on the dark mode so much. You get it? Because here's the thing: if you come to let's say we come here, and then inside the styles, let's go inside the styles, globals or CSS, and then we just come and say prefer dark, right? See, now something is not right. You get it? They obviously these ones are good, right? But our styles here, they're not compatible with like theme changing and all that. So I'm gonna handle that, don't worry. But that's gonna be things like you do things like animations and all these things, you just add them later on. You get it? That's not gonna be like excuse me, hold on, what's going on? Yo, what's going on with that page? Anyways, you guys get the gist, bro. Let me see. I think it's just here on dark mode and light mode. Let's remove it. Yeah, just like that. I think there's something wrong with this page, but I'm gonna handle it. You guys shouldn't worry. So for now, this is what we have, my boys, and I think that's just it. Feel me? What? What's going on? I thought it's supposed to be light like this. Okay, no worries. We're good for now. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Like I always say, thank you guys for 92. We just 8 people away from 100 subs. So yeah, man, sub up. You guys should let me know what you guys want to watch. If not what you guys want to watch, obviously, because you guys will have to see what I'm doing. So, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. That's it. Subscribe if you want to. If you don't want, it's cool, no problem. All right, see you guys when I see you on the next one.